I decided to come to open house with my daughter who's interested in masters.
Like, see the campus, kind of the vibe, if I could picture myself here.
Further learn what I need to get done from my schooling to make sure I can come here the following year.
And I wanted to see what this campus was all about.
I thought it was really helpful to give parents a good experience and kind of look around the school and see what's offered here.
Check out the classes, kind of how the days work here, the dorms.
There's a lot of interaction with everyone I need to talk to.
Very informative. Questions on each seminar, amazing, about from student loans right down to administration to student life. It was fantastic. Yeah, very well done. The teacher interaction seems amazing.
It's family, and it's just such a great atmosphere here. So if you're thinking about masters, really truly consider it. Masters is honestly the best place to start your theological studies. It's a great place.
Yeah, it's home.